Welcome to my channel.
Alright then, welcome. So today we're going to be talking about how to solve LinkedIn account restriction. So the first thing you do is go to your LinkedIn, try to log in. So when you try to log in, I'll just wait for this to load. Okay, so it's going to tell you to do verification, the number one. So you're just going to click on that, done with that. So it's going to take you, it's going to show you this as access to your account has been temporarily restricted. Verify your identity. So how do you solve the issue? Perhaps you've been facing the issue, you try to log into your account, or you just open a new account and you're still getting this error. How do you resolve this issue? You just click on the verify. It's going to take you here. I would advise you to use your phone so that it will be easier for you to resolve. So now let's assume you're using your phone and you've tried everything, you've uploaded your ID card and it's showing you this error. How do you resolve this issue? It's telling you that you have reached your maximum number of limits. Do you understand? Or you already submitted an application or a request. Sorry, a request. So how do you solve this issue? So the first thing you're gonna do is okay. Before I go on, and then perhaps you're also facing this issue as well. It's telling you you've reached maximum number of attempts, like you're trying to send an OTP to your phone, you're not getting the OTP, you're getting this error message. So the first thing you're gonna do is go to ChatGTP and ensure you screenshot the error message you're getting from the LinkedIn. Just upload it using that circled icons like ChatGTP. So ensure you screenshot, then you upload it from your phone to ChatGTP. So that's the first step. So the next thing you're going to do after that is to state your problem, what you're facing. Tell ChatGPT is the problem you're facing. Then tell it to generate an attention grabbing email and Twitter reach out to contact them. Do you understand? You tell ChatGPT or whatever issues you're facing, then ChatGPT is going to come up with something for you. This is what it came up with for me. So give me reach out, Twitter reach out and an email. Then I told it to CC the CEO email, that is to copy the CEO email. So he provided his CEO email and came up with another email address, emails to send to them with subject and all. And then it also gave me their CEO email address to attach. This is to copy. So we just copy the Twitter reach out, I also copy the email as well. So I've done that. So the next thing is to go to sorry. I'll just copy the CEO email. I forgot to copy it. Just copy the CEO's email. So just copy it. And then go to your email. And go to your email, Gmail. So just copy. So use the email address on the link that just support email. So just copy it there, just put it there. So when you're done, use the use the button. Let me just point it for you to see, to bring down the CC. For those that are not familiar with this, yes, that's it. That button over, just click on it. It's going to bring down the CC for you to copy their CEO. The reason why we are copying their CEO is very good, get a fast response. You can see, just click on that. So once you click on it, it's going to bring down the CC, that's the copy. So you're just going to paste the CEO's email. We copy it from ChatGPT. You're going to put it there. Then you come to your subject, paste the subject there. You just paste it there. Then the email, we copy from ChatGPT. We are also going to paste it right here. You're going to paste the email, you copy from ChatGPT. You're going to copy it. You're going to paste it here. So this is the email we copied from ChatGTP. So I'm just gonna edit some things there, like the email. So ensure you look at the distance very well. Ensure you look at the email you copy from ChatGPT very well. So ensure you edit accordingly, appropriately. So yeah, I'll just put my email here. Just put it there. So that's it. I just put my phone number. I'll just put random phone number there. So as you can see, okay. Sorry, I'm just put something random there just to show you. Okay, so that's it. So when you're done with that, you're gonna attach. You see that screenshot you took. You just press the then it's gonna take you to your phone. Then after you're done, you just send the email. You make sure you attach the screenshots. Then you send the email to them. That's the first step. Then the second thing you're gonna do is go to your Twitter, which is X. When you're supposed for you to see, just go there. So so this is the third step. Sorry, that the second step is the third one. So you go to so when you get to your X, which is your Twitter, then you search for LinkedIn help. I can see it's typed on the screen for you to see LinkedIn help. Then you click on that one. Wait, let me just finish typing it. So when you're done typing LinkedIn help, you see that one I circled, that's the one you're gonna click on. Don't mistakenly click on any other thing, just the first one. So once you click there, then you click on that envelope icon. That's a message. I'm doing it because some people are not really familiar with this. Just click on that one. So when you click on, it's gonna take you to their inbox. So the thing you're gonna do once you get there, you just click on that upload. Make sure you upload this screenshot as well. Upload it here as well. Don't make mistake. Upload that same listing here as well. Then send that message you call from ChatGPT. Put it there. That message you call from ChatGPT, that Twitter reach out message, just send it to them with a screenshot of the problem you're facing. Do you understand? You're going to do exactly the way I did it here. So once you're done with that, you're definitely going to get a response. Do you understand? Screenshot of the problem you're facing, then you can see this is the response I got from them. So if this doesn't work, just go to Twitter, go to your homepage, any post, click on that post. So once you click on any post, start tagging them like this, like I did here. Always watch carefully. Just click on LinkedIn help. Just click on it, the first one. Just click on that first one, like I did. Just LinkedIn help. As you can see, that's the first one there. Just click on it and just paste the same message you sent to their inbox. Just paste it here. Or paste it now. As you can see, it's too long. Just cut it. Cut it off. So this is the message you're going to send to them. You can tag them as much as you want on any post. For instance, let me show you one. This person I tagged this on 10 posts. 1, 2, as you can see, tag them on 10 posts. And that is going to prompt them to respond to you. It's going to grab their attention and they're going to respond to you if the first method does not work. So I advise you start tagging them on post on Twitter. So after that, once you're done with that, you come to your once you get a response, copy the response, and you can click from there. You can click the link from them. But I want to copy it to paste it in my browser. So when I paste it in my browser, it's gonna take me directly to the site. Today I'm gonna fill the form. So just fill the form. Just fill the form like I did here. Just watch the way I fill it here. Once you get my account, then tick that box below. Tick the box. Now you're gonna paste the same message you sent to them on Twitter. You're gonna paste it to that box, that message box. Paste it there. So then you click on this restricted account or account restriction or whatever. Just submit. So once you submit, you wait for their email. You're gonna get this email from them. So click on the link to fill another form that is going to finally resolve your issue. Do you understand? So they will send you, just ensure you're checking your email. It's very, very important. So once you're done with this, and if you're not able to solve your problem still, I advise you to just go back to Twitter, upload a screenshot of the error message you're getting like this. This is the error message I was getting. Just send this message to them. When you send this message to them, they're going to respond to you. So just click on the link to fill your form. Then you should be able to resolve any issue you're having. Then another issue is your card. If you're not able to upload your card, I will advise you to do it this way. Snap it very bold like this on a black background. Ensure you're not very close to the camera like this. Do you understand? That will also resolve your issue of uploading your card. So the final email you're gonna get from them is this to reset your password. Ensure you click on the link to restore your just change your password, restore your password, then after that your account should be back to normal. You should be able to log in into your account being restricted. So now subscribe to my YouTube channel guys in the next video. Before I go, check the video description for all the links in the video and emails. See you in the next video guys.